Hi, I'm Ursula Luckert, and I'm with Sticky Fingers Cooking in Portland, Oregon. Our dear friends Dan and Mary were working with us for the last couple of years to find a business. When we came across Sticky Fingers Cooking, it kind of fit the passions that caused our friendship to form in the first place, which was food and travel. I think inspiring the kids in the community is one of the most important factors of why we were drawn to Sticky Fingers Cooking. Thinking about the legacy of just preparing and enjoying food, but also sharing with other people is really what builds a legacy of joy in loving food and builds community around food. I think being a franchise business owner, we were learning that it's kind of a shortcut. You don't go through all the startup steps of building something that you really want to get to. So since it checked all the boxes, it's a jump start for us. Previously, my career has been involved in a lot of different industries. I've been in manufacturing, distribution, healthcare, scrap metal processing. I've done a lot of different things. What's nice about this one is that it's something new that I can learn. The Sticky Fingers headquarter team has been absolutely phenomenal since the first time we've met them. So warm and friendly, and they truly live up to the hospitality culture that drives the organization. I think if someone is looking at franchise opportunities and considering what the benefit is, as opposed to maybe starting up another business, I think Sticky Fingers is a prime way to do it. They have all the things set up. You can jump in. They've done all the systems work. They've done all their manuals. There's all kinds of things, but there's always a phone call that you can make to someone who's going to answer the question too. The Sticky Fingers Cooking franchise provides an opportunity to be part of the mission of teaching children to cook. And that part of it is just so important to leave a legacy and to build joy in our communities.